Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries for real estate business. So here I'm managing a real estate business and I'm promoting it with the help of IndiaMART, that is an amazing B2B marketplace for India. Now here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead and a new inquiry for my business through IndiaMART, I want to connect with that lead through WhatsApp. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up the connection between IndiaMART and WhatsApp, and that we are going to do without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. Over here, for sending WhatsApp messages to all my leads, I am using AI Sensei, but you can take any other application as well according to your choice. And in order to learn the amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So in this video we are going to learn how to automatically send WhatsApp messages to all our IndiaMART leads and inquiries for real estate business. So I am running a real estate business and I'm promoting it with the help of IndiaMART, that is B2B marketplace, and I want that as soon as I'm going to receive a new inquiry for any of the buying or renting of the properties which I'm dealing in, so automatically I want to connect with that lead on WhatsApp. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For that we will have to set up the connection between IndiaMART and WhatsApp, and that we are going to do without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect helps us to set up connections between our work applications very easily in order to automate all our repetitive tasks. Here I am going to build the connection between IndiaMART and AI Sensei. I am using AI Sensei for sending automated template messages to all my clients, to all my leads, that too in the personalized format. But in your case, you can also use any other API application such as WhatsApp Cloud API, Vati, or etc. Alright, so let's get started quickly. Currently, I am on my home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It is going to create a free new account for you just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you will be receiving 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in option. It is going to take us towards all apps section, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now very quickly. And it is going to take us towards the dashboard of our Pabbly Connect account. So on our dashboard, we will find all our workflows which we have created, and to save the same workflows, we can also create separate folders. As you can see, I have a list of folders which I have created for different purposes. Now to create a new workflow, we are going to click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, you can see a dialog box is appear in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to our workflow. So here, first of all, I'm going to give a name to my workflow. Send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries for real estate business. After giving the name to my workflow, I'm going to select the folder in which I want to save it. So you can see I have a list of folders. Among these folders, because I have created a separate folder for all the IndiaMART leads and the automations which I'm going to create for them. So I'm going to select automations for IndiaMART leads over here as my folder, and I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, you can see a new screen is open in front of us, which contains two extremely important windows. First is the trigger over here, and the other is action. Basically, this is a blank workflow which is open in front of us, which we have to fill. So we have to select the trigger and the action. Now, what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. Here, the trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose my objective is that whenever a new IndiaMART inquiry is received for my real estate agency by a new lead, then automatically I want to send a WhatsApp message to that same lead. So how we are going to automate this process? For this, we are going to take IndiaMART in trigger and AI Sensei, through which we want to send the WhatsApp message in action. When we are going to connect both these applications, we will clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is received through IndiaMART, then only the message will be sent through AI Sensei, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger in action, let us quickly start creating our automation step by step. To start with the workflow, we have to go towards our trigger step first of all, and we have to select our trigger application. Over here, our trigger application will be IndiaMART. So let's select that. Then we have to select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. So new leads will be our trigger event over here, because we want that whenever a new lead will be received through IndiaMART, then automatically the response should be captured inside Pabbly Connect. And how we are going to capture the response? With the help of this webhook URL. So we have received this webhook URL, which is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data of every new lead and inquiry from IndiaMART towards Pabbly Connect, and that too instantly. So we have to copy this webhook URL and then we have to insert it inside IndiaMART account. And for inserting this webhook URL inside IndiaMART, we have received the instructions as well. So we just have to follow the steps given over here carefully, step by step, to set up the connection. So I'm going to take you towards my IndiaMART account. After coming over here, from the left side, we'll find the option of lead manager. Let's select that. After coming on lead manager, here we have to go towards the 3 lines, that is the menu section, and over here we have to click on import export leads. Then we have 3 other options, that is pull API, push API, import leads. So I'm going to select push API option, and over here it has taken us towards push API integration. Now first of all, we have to select the source of the leads, that from where we have received these leads. I am going to select other option, but you can select according to your choice. As you have selected that, now we have to provide the CRM platform name, which platform you want to connect with IndiaMART. I am going to select Pabbly Connect over here. Okay, then in the webhook listener URL, you have to paste the URL which is copied from Pabbly Connect, and then you have to click on save details. As we have done that, now it is asking us to select one of the reasons why you are setting up the connection. We have multiple options over here, but here I'm going to select I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance. Okay, any of the option. Then I'm going to click on generate OTP, and here the OTP is received on the registered number. So I'm going to quickly enter it over here. After doing this, here you can see that the webhook listener URL is successfully activated over here and the connection is set up successfully. So I'm going to take you back towards Pabbly Connect. Over here it is showing waiting for webhook response. Now this means that now as we have inserted the webhook URL successfully, the connection is built and now we are waiting for the response. So how we are going to capture the response? For that we have to do a test submission, and how we are going to do that test submission? By simply creating a new lead in IndiaMART. So what I'm going to do, I have created a profile, and with that profile in incognito mode, I'm going to send a sample query to my business in IndiaMART. And as we will do that, automatically the lead will be added in IndiaMART, and the response of that lead with the query will be captured inside Pabbly Connect as well. So quickly I'm going to open the profile of that user, of that lead in incognito mode, and over here you can see I have already searched my business. I have opened the profile in incognito mode and I have also searched my business. Now I'm going to simply send the inquiry towards my business, okay, by clicking on this contact supplier. As I told you, I have created the profile. So while creating the profile, I've entered all the details of the lead, such as the name, email address, the phone number, the company, the area, etc. So I do not have to enter these details now again and again, and as I will do that, automatically all the details of the lead will be transferred towards the IndiaMART, towards my business, and also in the response the details of the lead will be captured. So I'm going to click on contact supplier. As we have done that, now I'm going to enter my message, that means my inquiry. Okay, here we have the contact information, the name of the lead, the phone number, the email address, and so on. So these details will be automatically sent towards Pabbly Connect. So now the inquiry will be interested in buying a 3 BHK apartment in Bhopal. So I'm going to click on submit, and here it is saying that the response is sent to the business. So I'm going to simply cross this. We'll move back towards IndiaMART first of all. And over here you can see a lead is received. So here we can see that the inquiry is received. Actually the lead is received with all the details, but we have received the dummy inquiry because currently I'm using a test account of IndiaMART. But in your case, when you will be receiving a real account, a paid account, so whenever a lead will be sending an inquiry, you're going to receive that exact inquiry with all the exact details of that lead. Now I'm going to take you towards Pabbly Connect quickly, and over here we will wait for the response for a few seconds. And over here you can see that the response is captured. So in this response we have received all the details. First of all, we have received the status of the lead, that is success. We have received a unique query ID. This is actually the query ID which we are going to receive for each and every new lead and each and every new inquiry. That will be unique for everyone. Then we have received a default subject of the lead. Here we have the state from which the lead has from which we have received this lead. Okay, then we have the name of the lead, phone number, email, company name, city, country code, all right, and the address. And we have also received the date and time at which the query is received. Okay, so here as I told you, I have created a profile, and while creating that profile, I've entered these details, this email, the company name, and all of the details. So in this response, we have received those same details only. Now when we'll scroll down here, we have received the demo text message as well, that is the demo query. Alright, so as I told you, I have created a test account. So here I have received a test query, but in your case, you will be receiving a real one. Once we have set up the connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect, we are going to move forward towards sending a WhatsApp message to the lead, because our objective is to connect with the leads through WhatsApp. So here, for building the connection between WhatsApp and Pabbly Connect and for sending the WhatsApp message, I am going to use AI Sensei over here. So I am going to select my action application as AI Sensei. Let's quickly select that. WhatsApp by AI Sensei. As you have done that, you have to select the action event now. What is the action event? To send a template message. Let's click on connect. For building the connection, here we have two options: add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection, just go with that quickly. But to create a new connection, here you have to go towards add new connection section, and then you have to provide the API key. For getting the API key, you just have to log into your AI Sensei account and you have to go towards the manage section. So I'm going to take you towards the AI Sensei. Here we have the manage section. And over here we have the option of API key. So we have to select the API key option. This is the API key which is required inside Pabbly Connect. So let's click on copy and we'll move back towards Pabbly Connect to paste it over here. Okay, in a similar manner, you also have to find your API key and you will click on save. As we have done that, the connection between WhatsApp by AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So now we just have to move forward towards entering the details in these fields to send the message to the lead. So first of all, it is asking us the campaign name. For sending the template message, we have to create a template and we have to link that template with a particular live campaign. Okay, so you have to launch a campaign, you have to link your template with that campaign and you have to set it live. Then only you will be able to send the message automatically. So it is asking us the campaign name. So I'm going to take you towards my AI Sensei account. We'll go towards the template message section, and when we'll go towards the all section, these are all the templates I have on my account for the different purposes I have created them. So I'm going to open the template which I have created for sending the messages to my real estate agency leads. So here we have the template. I have used some variables as well in the template so that I can customize the template according to each and every new lead. Wherever in your template you are going to use the variable, you will be able to change the data of that place automatically, and then you will be able to send the personalized messages to all your leads. Here I have used the variable in the name so that I can send the messages to all my leads with their specified name. Alright. I have completed my template and I have sent it for approval. Once it is approved, now I'm going to link this particular template with a campaign. So how we are going to launch the campaign? For that, we have the campaign section over here separately. We have to click on this launch button and now we have to select API campaign. Let's click on next. You have to first of all provide a name to your campaign. So here, let's say I'm going to give a name as real estate agency. Alright, then you have to select the template which you want to link with the campaign. So here my template is real estate inquiry. And here you can see that the template is linked with the campaign. We are going to set it live. And as we have done that, now we'll go back towards the campaign section. Over here, the campaign is ready. And when we'll go back towards all campaigns, when I'm going to refresh this page, here you can see that the campaign is ready and it is live. So when the status of the campaign is live, we can use it in order to send the message. So I'm going to once again open the campaign name. I'm going to simply copy the name given over here of this campaign. And as it is, I'm going to paste it over here. Alright, then you have to provide that mobile number of the person to whom you want to send the message. I want to send my message to the leads of IndiaMART. So here IndiaMART leads phone number will be entered. So how we are going to get that number? Are we going to enter it manually? No, of course not, because as you know, we have already received the details of our lead in our earlier response. Instead of entering the data manually, we will simply map the data over here. Here, this is my previous step. Here are all the details and this is the phone number which I want. So here I have simply mapped the number. Now I'm going to move forward. Here it is asking us a username. So here, who is going to receive the template? Who is going to receive the message? The message is going to be received by the lead only. So here I'm going to search for the name of the lead and it has redirected me in my previous step. This is the name of my lead. So I have mapped that. In a similar manner, when we have mapped this data, it has become dynamic. So with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. Whenever a new lead is going to receive from IndiaMART, automatically all the details which we are going to map in these fields are going to replace with the new details of that new lead. And in this way, we are going to automate the process. Here, if you want to provide the source of your lead, you can enter it over here. The tags if you want to provide to your leads, but I'm going to ignore these fields. Now next way, I'm going to enter the template parameter. Over here in this field, you have to provide the values for the variables which you have used in your template. As I have only used a single variable, that is for name, so my value will be the name of the lead. But in your case, if you are using multiple variables in your template, what you have to do, you have to enter first value for the variable. You will have to use a comma, a space, and then you are going to map the second value. In this way, you're going to enter multiple values for your multiple variables. Here, the name of the lead will be my template parameter, and I'm going to move forward. If you want to provide any file or the product catalog along with this particular message, you can enter the URL of that file over here and the name over here as well. Then I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. As we have done that, the message is sent. So here I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp to check whether the message is received on the number or not. And yes, the message is received. So here you can see that we have received the message. Hello Smartly, thank you for your interest in our real estate services. We are thrilled to assist you in your journey to find the perfect property. As a token of appreciation, we are offering you a free consultation to discuss your real estate needs and explore the best options available. And this means that the connection is absolutely successful between IndiaMART and WhatsApp. So now whenever we are going to receive a new inquiry by a new lead for our real estate agency, quickly we can send them automated WhatsApp message with the help of AI Sensei. And in the similar manner, you can customize your template. You can send customized messages according to your services, according to your business. You can provide the offers to your customers who are going to book the appointments with you. And in this way, you can simply connect with your leads to make them a payable customers. I hope this effortless process is clear to you and it is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.